Hey, Yamandumarang Mujis, Yamandumarang Muji. Are you well, friend? Hope so. Brought you out today to take a quick little walk around this amazing place at Walla Walla. Our language, much rain, many rocks. It's a very special place for local Wiradjuri and Aboriginal people. Come for a quick little walk around and I'll describe what's here for you. This is a magical wallang, a rock we call rock wallang, and there's a staircase that goes all the way to the top of that, so you can get a magical lookout spot and look over country 360 degrees. It's quite amazing. I actually won't climb that out of respect for the local people, but very, very amazing place to come and have a look. Let's take you for a short walk through this little walkway and around these amazing wallang, these rocks. This is down near Walla Walla, New South Wales, not too far from Albury, Australia. This is a truly amazing place for people to come and have a look. This special place, Walla Walla, is also sits just above people call the Billabong Creek. We call that Billabong. Watch your head. We call it Billabong. And the Billabong Billabong Creek is the longest creek in the world, not just Australia. So here's a new Gilliwa, new toilets. As I said, please come down and enjoy this place. Don't disrespect it. Take all your rubbish with you and just try and keep it as clean as you can. And then you can come out here and have lunch with your family and totally enjoy the countryside. And look at the amazing views you get. Just incredible. So come with me. We'll go back. There's plenty of places you can explore, but you need to do that yourself when you come out here. There's some other history here about a bush ranger that used to stay here every now and then. But primarily, it's a special Wiradjuri place. And lots of native budgeon, birds, dubulgara, native plants. Watch your head there again. Native plants. And yeah, just a very peaceful place to come out. Take some time to learn about the area. That's a magnificent view you get over country. At the moment all the canola's out. You see all the beautiful yellow. And over here we see Tabletop Mountain, which is very, very important to our people. So this is Walla Walla Lookout. Very, very special place for local people, local residents and also local Wiradjuri Aboriginal people. So come out and enjoy, take back what you bring in, don't leave any rubbish behind, and enjoy our beautiful country. Good way, you. Safe travels.